It's Shannon, and today I'm here for my third video and the final video in the series of the MG Complete, the skin clarifying system, I guess you can call it. Sorry, I'm really out of breath. It's really hot in my house, and yeah. Okay, so first of all, I want to start by saying that I really love this kit. It's helped my skin a lot. I break out super easy. My skin is super sensitive. Side note, you can see I have 3 little spots here. It's not from this. This has done a great job of clearing out my skin. This just came like overnight because I used like a lip mask last night. I tried one out that I got in the mail as a sample, and it burned my skin like super bad, and I had as you can see, like a bad reaction to it. So that isn't because of this or anything like that. This is done excellent. Like anywhere else on my face, I don't have any spots, only like these 3 here. So yeah, my skin is super clear. My skins seem to be more glowing. My skin feels a lot healthier and smoother. And like I said, I haven't been breaking out hardly at all except for this little thing. In the past, I think I started using this maybe 2 weeks ago, 2-3 weeks. My skin has like cleared up so much. And even like certain things, like certain masks and everything that would kind of break me out a little bit, but I still use, haven't been breaking me out. And yeah, I just really love it. So I'm gonna like review everything individually now. Let me start with this one, which I haven't really talked about yet. This is the Healthy Skin Probiotics. So what you do, I'll show you one that's not open because I didn't finish all these. I had like 2 left. I had today's and then tomorrow's left. But pretty much it looks like this. It's in a little bottle, and this part, I don't want to break it because then the stuff will spill everywhere, but there's a little lid on it, and the lid held like probiotic powder in it, and pretty much when it's on, you break it and then you turn it over and push it in, and then you shake it, and then there'll be like the powder will dissolve in the liquid that's underneath. You can still see there's some liquid in this one. And then you just drink it. I didn't have a problem with drinking it. Just some mornings I didn't finish. Like I had these 2 left because 2 mornings I was really rushed. I didn't have enough time to stop and drink it. And I meant to grab it and take it with me, but I was just so busy I didn't even think about it. But it doesn't taste that bad in my opinion. I think it kind of has like a sweet fruity taste to it. It does leave kind of a weird aftertaste, but that goes away after a few minutes and it's not that big of a deal. But it's pretty much like a little shot, really. I don't drink it as a shot because I can't do shots. I choke really easy. But yeah, this could easily be down in like a shot. And yeah, so I got in this little quick like starter kit little thing. I think I got like 5 or 6 of them. I think. Yeah, maybe. It doesn't say. But yeah. So then I'll start with the cleanser. The cleanser was probably my favorite out of all of it. I really liked the cleanser. It was very gentle on the skin. It made my skin feel super soft and smooth. I didn't have any bad burning with my skin, like on my skin when I applied it. It didn't burn my eyes whenever I would take off my eye makeup. You can use it to remove your makeup, and you can use it just as a cleanser as well. So I pretty much would take a wipe because I wear a lot of makeup. I go to school and then work, so I want my makeup to last all day. So I put on a lot of makeup. Like sometimes at school before I leave, if my makeup is looking like kind of bad, I'll just put more makeup on top. I know that sounds really bad, but I always wear full coverage foundation. I always wear a bunch of powder. I powder like 3 times a day, really, because I get really oily in the summer. And yeah, so this does an excellent job. Even if I use a makeup removing wipe to take it off first, this is still pulling off even more makeup, and it gets my skin feeling completely smooth and clear, and there's nothing left on my skin afterwards. No makeup, no oils, nothing, no dirt. I've even seen like blackhead reduction, you know. It's really helped to clean out my pores, really cleanse my skin deep down. I love, like I said, how soft it makes my skin feel, and it's really lightweight, and it's really easy to use and really simple, and it smells really light and fresh. It smells really good, and I love it. So if I could only purchase one other thing, like if I could only purchase one thing out of this whole kit, it would definitely be the cleanser, because I love it. If you just want to purchase one thing and not the whole kit, definitely recommend you try the cleanser. It's amazing. So then the second step you're supposed to do is the breakout treatment. So this little breakout treatment, you pretty much apply AM and PM after cleansing, and you just use 2 pumps because a little bit goes a long way. And if you have really sensitive skin, you're only supposed to use it like once daily. It depends how my skin was acting that day. If my skin was being super sensitive all day, then I would just use it once. But if I wasn't really having a problem with my skin, I would use it twice. But I really liked this one as well. Again, this was super moisturizing, super hydrating. So one thing I noticed was all these products were really hydrating and really nice. Like with my skin, it made my skin feel like super smooth and hydrated and super moisturized. And this really did help to clear up my acne as well. I noticed a difference in some spots, like within like the next day, and if not the next day, then within like 2 or 3 days. It was really fast acting on my skin, I felt, and did a really good job. And then the final thing is the Citrus C Healthy Complexion. So this, you can use it AM or PM again. And it says use it after the breakout treatment. And you're only supposed to use this once a day, or if you have sensitive skin, you're supposed to use it every other day. I did it every other day because this step did burn my skin a little bit. Like whenever I would apply it, it only lasted for a couple minutes. I think I showed you that in my video of how I use it, which I'll leave a little iCard to. But yeah, after the burning went away, it really helped my skin as well. I like to use this in the morning because it smells like citrus, and the citrus factor with it, I felt like it really helped to wake up my skin and get my skin really refreshed and ready for the day. And I just really loved it all, and like I said, it really cleared up my skin. I didn't have a bad reaction to any of it, and I love it. And I guarantee these little spots, because they just came up today, will be gone. I haven't washed my face yet today. I haven't had time, because I've been doing a lot of housework and stuff, so I was getting dirty anyway, so I just left it. But I guarantee probably Sunday, what is today, Thursday? Sunday they'll be gone, guarantee it. But yeah, I think I'm really going to repurchase this. Like, I really love it. I'm trying to bring up the page. Okay, so for the kit, the entire kit, it's $50, but I definitely think it's helped a lot. The probiotics, I haven't seen much difference, but I don't know what probiotics do. I haven't done much research into those. I'm sure if I knew more about them, then I would know. But for the whole system, it's $50, or the citrus is $25. The treatment, the acne treatment, is $20, and the cleanser is $15. Then the probiotics for, like, I don't know how many's in there, but there's like, it's $30. So I feel like altogether it's a super good price to get the full system. And yeah, I really love it, and I definitely recommend you check it out, especially if you have some sensitive skin that breaks out super easy, because this has changed my life for sure. My friend Kayla at school, she has so much trouble with her skin. I've already talked to her about it, and she's going to try it. So her skin is like worse than mine. Like the littlest thing, she's breaking out everywhere. So I told her to try this, and she's already checked into it. And one thing that I will say I absolutely love is that they're cruelty-free. I'm trying to switch to cruelty-free brands because I've been seeing all these ads on Facebook, and I just cannot stand see the animals and everything. And it just bugs me, and I hate it because I love animals so much. So I'm trying to switch to everything cruelty-free. So to find something that I love so much that is cruelty-free is amazing. So I'm definitely going to, if I don't repurchase everything again, I'm definitely going to repurchase the cleanser. But a little bit goes a long way. So this kit will last you a good amount of time, except for the little probiotic things. Those will go pretty quick because you're supposed to use those, like, it varies how much you're supposed to use them. But yeah, all the links to these will be down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Like I said, the links for this and everything will be in the description. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll answer them the best I can. And if I can't answer them, then I'll contact the brand for you and get an answer for you, and then I'll respond to you. But yeah, I think that's it for today. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!